Want to enable voice chat on Roblox? Roblox supports voice communication in eligible experiences for accounts that meet the platform's requirements. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, make sure your Roblox account is eligible for voice chat. Voice chat is only available to accounts that meet Roblox's current requirements, which may include age verification and other account eligibility checks. Next, click the Settings icon and open the Settings page. From there, navigate to the section that contains privacy and communication options. If voice chat is available for your account, locate the voice chat or communication option and turn it on. Follow any additional prompts that appear on your screen to complete the setup. When prompted, allow Roblox to access your computer's microphone. You can also review your Windows microphone permissions to make sure Roblox has the access it needs for voice communication. Finally, join a Roblox experience that supports voice chat. If the feature is available in that experience, you'll see the voice chat indicator and can begin communicating according to Roblox's community standards. Using a headset can help improve voice quality and reduce background noise, and that's how to enable voice chat on Roblox. Once your account is eligible and your microphone is configured, you can enjoy voice communication in supported Roblox experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.